So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me if you should actually buy the new MacBook Pro or the old version. So personally, I did buy the old version when I started. So basically, this is the MacBook Pro with the chip M1 2020 version, and I actually bought it. I'm gonna show you real quick. I bought it in 2021, so I believe that I bought the actual. There you go. MacBook Pro chip M1 2020, and I bought it in 2021. So basically I bought the model once the new model came out. Did I save money? Yeah, I saved about $1,000, which at the time was quite a lot of money. And I do believe that if you are not looking for any particular chip, you just want a nice MacBook Pro that functions well to edit videos. For instance, when we upload videos, if we want to edit it, this MacBook Pro is more than capable of it. And it is true that back in the day, it was the version with the touch bar, and it is true that the one that came out didn't have it, and I was a little bit concerned about it, but it turned out this actually functions really well, and I've never had an issue with the touch bar. So essentially it was a misconception, and this worked to be awesome, and I've been using it since then, and it just works wonders, this actual MacBook Pro chip M1. So my answer is yes. If you want to buy the previous version, so let's say this September comes out the chip M5, if you want to buy the actual chip M4 or chip M3, I do believe that you will not have any issues. For 90% of the stuff you do, it's more than enough, okay? So if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.